Right now, I'm going in to see Madame Z. She is the best fortune teller ever, and I'm honored to be able to go. Now listen up. She is very sensitive. What are you doing? Sorry to have startled you. Oh gosh, ma'am, please.
Hi.
Tell me my fortune. That's all I want to know.
Do you have energy?
I believe.
Let me see your foot.
My foot?
What do you have with your foot?
Stick it on the ball.
Madam, you cannot press it up against my boobs. Because then...
I'm upset, Madam Z. I should go.
You better not go.